When was this amendment carried out in 129, section 129? तो निर्णय लिया गया कि 129 में संशोधन किया जाए। ये संशोधन कब हुआ 129 में? क्या कर सकते हैं? पीनल ट्रांसफर आपके एसडीओ साहब कह रहे हैं, उनको बताइएगा कि नहीं कहना चाहिए था, क्या कहना है क्या नहीं कहना है ये मालूम होना चाहिए उनको। चलिए ठीक है, चलिए तो ये तो फिर पीनल ट्रांसफर हो गया ना, ये कंप्लेंट पे किया गया था। लिखिएगा, इन द मैटर ऑफ demarcation, it is provided that tehsildars appoint revenue inspector or city surveyor for carrying out the demarcations. Full stop. When was this amendment carried out in 129, section 129? तो निर्णय लिया गया कि 129 में संशोधन किया जाए। ये संशोधन कब हुआ 129 में? हैं? आगे आ जाइए, आगे आ जाइए। कहाँ है 129 का संशोधन? आ गया सर है 129 में संशोधन नोटिफिकेशन आ गया 129 के संशोधन का। कहाँ है वो नोटिफिकेशन? He has produced the gazette notification amending section 129 of the MPLRC. They are taken on record. Next. As per the contention made by Shri Akhilesh Kumar Singh, sub-divisional officer, that petitioner was transferred from Halka Ujjaini to Jowgarh on account of certain complaints as were received by him against said Patwari, is when taken into consideration, then the transfer order, though makes a mention of the fact that it is on account of administrative requirement, but that part is factually incorrect in terms of the statement made by the concerned SDM. Full stop. The order of transfer in terms of the statement given by Shri Akhilesh Kumar Singh, sub-divisional officer, becomes penal in nature. Full stop. The law in regard to penal transfer is very clear. इसके आगे मैं लिखा दूंगा, ट्रांसफर इज हियर बाय क्वेस्ट, पिटीशन इज अलाउड एंड डिस्पोज। क्या कर सकते हैं? पीनल ट्रांसफर आपके एसडीओ साहब कह रहे हैं, उनको बताइएगा कि नहीं कहना चाहिए था, क्या कहना है क्या नहीं कहना है ये मालूम होना चाहिए उनको। चलिए। In fact, as per the several judgment of this honorable court, it does not come under the purview of transfer. ठीक है। मतलब ये जो इसमें ये भी लिख लीजिएगा, at श्री द्विवेदी के द्विवेदी submits that this will not come within the purview of transfer. However, वो दीजिए, आपका एफिडेविट दीजिए। आ गया इसमें फाइल में लग गया। हाँ एफिडेविट हो। I am placing reliance. हाँ दीजिए ना प्लीज, उसको भी लिखाएंगे। दीजिए एफिडेविट। मतलब I am placing reliance upon the judgment of this honorable court, my lord. दीजिएगा। This is reported in 2016 SCC online MP, my lord. In which, my lord, it has held, my lord, that this is reliance on the judgment of this court in Balram Dhakar versus State of MP and another. Para 5 of this judgment, 2016 SCC online MP 12002, wherein it is held that mere change of charge from one Patwari Halka to another cannot be termed as transfer in terms of the definition brought to the notice of this court by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. However, facts are that respondent state has produced copy of Gazette notification dated 22nd October 2020 as Annexure A1 along with the affidavit of the collector Singrauli. Full stop. In this Gazette notification notifying भू अभिलेख नवीन भू अभिलेख नियमावली भाग 1, भाग 2 with effect from 22nd October 2020 in chapter 1 at serial number 7 transfer is mentioned and it reads as under.
मतलब दूसरा दूसरा जजमेंट जो दिया है उसको ये भू अभिलेख नियमावली को कंसीडर करते हुए
ठीक है, वो भी देख लेंगे, वो भी लिख देंगे। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
दैट्स इट।
फुल स्टॉप। इन व्यू ऑफ, अब बीच में ना बोलिए प्लीज।
जी जी।
इसको 7 को कोट कर दीजिएगा, पेज 9 पर है ये एफिडेविट के। ठीक है, फुल स्टॉप। 10 when change of charge from one halka to another has been considered and defined under the definition of transfer, then the order passed in 2016 will, on October 2016, will have no application in view of the amended Bhu Abhilekh Niyamavali. Next para. At this stage, Shri K.K. Dwivedi places reliance on the judgment of coordinate bench in Pradeep Sharma versus State of Madhya Pradesh and others 2022 SCC online MP 565 and also in case of Brajesh Singh Tomar versus State of Madhya Pradesh and others 2020 SCC online MP 3041 full stop. As far as judgment in case of Brajesh Singh Tomar is concerned, that is prior to the notification in and Brajesh Singh and Pradeep Sharma are concerned, they were decided respectively on 1st July 2020 and March 29, 22, whereas the amended Bhu Rajaswa Abhilekh, sorry, Bhu Rajaswa नहीं, Bhu Abhilekh Niyamavali was notified on 22 October 2020.
ये प्रदीप शर्मा वाले में ये कोटेड है, मतलब
वो आ रहे हैं भैया, अब लिखाने तो देंगे वकील साहब
जी। 24
आप लिखाने देंगे कि नहीं लिखाने देंगे?
जी, आई एम सॉरी।
सिर्फ उसको ब्रजेश तोमर वाले को करिएगा। इस कंसर्न इट वाज नोटिफाइड ऑन 20 अक्टूबर 2020। नेक्स्ट पैरा। Learned honorable coordinate bench has not held that that the change of charge from one halka to another will not fall within the definition of transfer, but in para 8 of the judgment it has held as under, within inverted commas 8 dot, perusal of clause 5 within bracket स्थानांतरण हिंदी में है bracket close, indicates that SDO can very well as per requirement change halka of patwari in a tehsil from time to time, full stop. Not only this, since clauses are in respect of qualification and penalty related instructions for patwari, comma, therefore it was expected from the petitioner that he must have gone through the same, but by ignoring the same, comma, plea of petitioner does not stand to law and logic both, full stop. There is no whisper in the said judgment that change of halka will not be part of the definition of transfer as is given in para 5 of the policy of 2018, which is an identically worded as is given in the definition of 2020, full stop. In fact, the coordinate bench has held that transfer is an incident of service and no one, much less petitioner, has any vested right to be posted at a particular place of posting, and therefore in that backdrop it has refused to show indulgence in the matter of judicial review of the transfer. But therefore the plea raised by Shri K.K. Dwivedi that coordinate bench has held that change of charge from one halka to another will not be termed as transfer is not made out from the judgment rendered in case of Pradeep Sharma, full stop. Thus, when transfer is defined and change of halka also amounts to transfer, as has been admitted by Collector Singrauli by quoting relevant provision of the policy, then transfer being stigmatic on account of receiving certain complaints and then without inquiring into such complaints and giving an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner in regard to the allegations made against him, will be a stigmatic transfer order, and therefore such stigma cannot be allowed to be continued to attach to the petitioner. Full stop. Transfer order is quashed. Respondents will be free to conduct departmental inquiry against the petitioner and take action in accordance with law.